Hello class 1, good morning. How are you? Fine? Okay. So class 1, today we are here with a new chapter of your English grammar book. Chapter number 3, I, he and she. I, he and she. And today we are going to do it as classwork in classwork notebook. First of all, look at this picture. I'm going to show you two pictures. Can you see these pictures? This is the picture of a girl while this is the picture of a boy. And here it is the picture of a bunny. Or you can say that a rabbit. Okay. Now, the girl and the boy. Girl is a naming word. Likewise, boy is also a naming word. But when we have to talk about a boy, ठीक है, जब एक बॉय के लिए बार बार बात करना होता है, then we don't tell that. जैसे अब मान लो बोलना है कि रिया is a girl. Riya goes to school daily. Riya writes. Riya runs. Riya plays. Riya eats. Riya sleeps. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? रिया बार बार हमको बोलना पड़ रहा है. We have to say रिया again and again. ऐसा नहीं होता. When we talk and when we have to say something about somebody for more than one or two times, then we use specific words for them. तब हम उनके लिए specific word use करते हैं. Like here, please see what is written. Peter is my brother. Peter is a good boy. Peter always cares for me. यहाँ पर भी Peter 3 times आया है. जैसे मैंने भी रिया many times बोला था. Isn't it? Peter and I play together. Peter और मैं साथ खेलते हैं. Think of another way of saying this. Try not to say Peter more than once. एक से ज़्यादा बार Peter नहीं बोलना है. Now what can I say? I can say it is given here. Peter is my brother. He is a good boy. See the word he. Peter की जगह यहाँ पर he बोला गया है. He always cares for me. He. We play together. Peter and I के लिए we लिखा गया है. So that means कि अगर कोई boy होगा तो उस boy का नाम बार बार नहीं लेना है. We can say he. And that is the chapter. I, he and she. I means मैं. He means वह अगर वो कोई लड़का है. And she अगर वो कोई लड़की है. Now take out your notebook. We will do it in the notebook first. Then in the next class I will give you book practice. Okay? Now here in this chapter, just put today's date. What is the date today? What is the date today? Today is 14th of August, right? 14/8/20. Put classwork on the top, and this is your English grammar. I'm writing it in short form. English grammar chapter 3. English grammar chapter 3. And the name of the chapter is I, he and she. And here we are going to do an exercise, and this is a simple exercise. What is the exercise? This exercise says WRITE, right? He और she. आपको मैम वर्ड्स देने वाली है. उन वर्ड्स में आपको ही लिखना है, she लिखना है, and one more word you have to write, that is IT, it, or IT, it. Now मैम ने ये तो समझा दिया कि ही का क्या मतलब होता है और शी का क्या मतलब होता है. IT, it का क्या मतलब होता है? Whenever anything or animal comes, we write it as it. उसके लिए हम it बोलेंगे. जैसे बॉय को ही बोलेंगे, गर्ल को शी बोलेंगे. बट अगर कोई रैबिट या बनी आता है या कैट या डॉग है तो उसकी जगह पर हमको IT, it लिखना है. ओके. नाउ हियर there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words will be there. हर एक नेमिंग वर्ड के लिए आपको सोच कर लिखना है. वो ही है, शी है और इट है. ओके. सो द क्वेश्चन इज राइट ही और शी और इट. ओके. आपको ही लिखना है, शी लिखना है या इट लिखना है. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज, yes, it is the example from your book. Peter. Peter is a boy. Peter is a boy. The next example is Ria. Ria. Ria is a girl. हमको हर एक नेमिंग वर्ड के लिए ये सोचना है कि वो बॉय है या गर्ल है. So Peter is a boy, Ria is a girl, and now I am writing CAT, cat. Cat is an animal. So जो बॉय के लिए ही और गर्ल के लिए शी लिख सकते हैं, लेकिन एनिमल के लिए हम ही या शी नहीं लिख सकते. We have to write IT, it for that. Okay, so for Peter we will write HE, he. For Ria we will write SHE, she. For cat we will write IT, it. For cat what we will write? IT, it. Again. The next word is MOTHER, mother. Mother is a yes, lady or woman. So we will write SHE, she. For uncle, 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 what you will write? Uncle is a man, so we will write HE, he. All these are in blanks because this was the question. Peter, he, Ria, she, cat, it, mother, she, uncle, he. Now give me some more words of your choice. Book. BOOK, book. For book we will write, again we will write IT, it, because book is a naming word but it is not a girl, not a boy. Book na boy hai na girl hai, so we will use IT, it for it. Okay. Now I am writing number 7. For number 7, Sita. Sita, Sita. Sita is a girl, so we will write she for her. She, she. Write it fast. Peter, he. Ria, Ria. She, cat. It. Mother, mother. She. Uncle, uncle. He. Book, book. It. Sita, Sita. That means she. Note it down fast. This is an extra work. This is not in your book. Okay, and neither in your notes. It is not in your notes also. Okay, ये मैम ने अपनी तरफ से दिया है so that you could understand better, ताकि आपको ये लेसन अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए. Okay. This is chapter 3 of your English grammar book, I, he and she. And the first exercise that you are doing is write he, she or it. आपको he लिखना है, she लिखना है या फिर it लिखना है. Okay. Now do it fast so that we could do the next exercise. Now I am going to the next page. In the next page, what I am going to do? I am going to do one more exercise, and here the exercise says write we. Now you have to write we. और दे. अभी दो वर्ड्स है आपके पास. पहला वी है और दूसरा दे है. Now here also you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Okay. अभी ये देखो, वी का मतलब क्या होता है? वी का मतलब होता है हम. वी मीन्स हम. वी मीन्स हम. WEVTHEY, they. First of all, read the word many times. WEVTHEY, they. WEVTHEY, they. WEVTHEY, they. Now, वी का मतलब होता है हम. वी का मतलब होता है हम. अगर मैं बोलूं आई एंड रिया, मैं और रिया, तो हम दोनों मिलकर क्या बनेंगे? हम. सो माय फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज आई एंड रिया. फॉर आई एंड रिया आई विल राइट वी, क्योंकि आई एंड रिया हम दो हैं और दोनों मिलके हम बनते हैं. एंड वी मीन्स हम. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज रिया एंड राज. रिया एंड राज आर टू डिफरेंट पीपल. ठीक है, मुझे छोड़ के ये दोनों डिफरेंट पीपल हैं, मतलब मुझे इनके लिए बोलना है वे. वे, वे. सो आई विल राइट दे. दे का मतलब होता है वो दोनों, ये वो सब. लाइकवाइज दे. THEY they. अगर मैं जहाँ पर मैं हूँ I will write we, and if there are other person than me, अगर मुझे छोड़ के कोई other person है then we have to write THEY they. Okay, now again me and my sister, or me and my sister, मैं और मेरी बहन, दोनों मिलकर क्या बनेंगे? अगेन we. Next is Rihan, Rishi, and Minnie. Rihan, Rishi and Minnie. What we have to write for them? Because they are more than one. वो more than one है और उसमें मैं नहीं हूँ. So I have to write THEY they. THEY they. But I have to write THEY they. Next is what should I write here? Give me some example. Adi and his father. आदि और उसके पापा. That means they are again they. उनके लिए क्या लिखेंगे? They. Adi and his father. We will write they for them. So class 1, this is an exercise that says about I, he and she. I, he and she is the name of the chapter. Okay, madam has used color pencils. Okay, color sketch pen I have used for it. You don't have to use sketch pens. You use your pencil to write. इन हिंदी आई एम सेइंग यू, मैम ने स्केच पेन यूज़ किया है लेकिन आप नहीं यूज़ करेंगे, आपको पेंसिल से ही लिखना है. ओके, एंड द एक्सरसाइज इज राइट ही और शी. अगर कोई बॉय है तो ही लिखो, कोई गर्ल है तो शी लिखो, कोई मैन है तो ही लिखना है, कोई अगर वुमेन है तो शी लिखना है. फॉर फादर ही, मदर शी, अंकल ही, aunt she. Okay, grandfather he, grandmother she, Riya she, Rahul he, Sita she, Raja he. Likewise, Peter is he. Okay, and if it is any animal or anything, अगर कोई वो एनिमल है और थिंग है तो वी विल राइट IT it for it. Okay, so how many words did we learn today? We have learned 5 words today. We have learned 5 words today, and those words are I, those words are he means किसी बॉय के लिए यूज करना है, she किसी गर्ल के लिए यूज करना है, IT it we use it for any animal or anything, we means हम, THEY they means वे सब. Okay, one more time I am telling you, what did we learn? We have learned the word HE, he means when there is a boy, any man, okay, any male, you can say any male. Now next is SHE, she we write for any girl, woman, mother, sister, okay, ma'am, aunt, grandmother like word. IT it is used for any animal or anything, and all these words are used for singular. अगर one है तभी हम use करेंगे he, she, it. Okay, and now the next is WEV. We means हम, and THEY they means वे सब. Okay, now I'm going to tell you one new word. In this I'm going to tell you one new word, and the new word is YOU. You means तुम. You means तुम. You means तुम. It is not in your book. Okay, although it is not in your book. Now class 1, take out your grammar book and take out page number 18. We are going to do this exercise in the book. Although one exercise is there on page number 17, but we will do it in the next class. सबसे पहले take out page number 18 and do one exercise in that. एक exercise करना है उसमें. Okay. Now see here. Here, exercise A. The question is use he, she, it, they or we. He, she, it, they or we आपको use करना है, and this is your homework. This exercise is your homework. अभी मैम सिर्फ आपको सिखा रही है. Do it in the book itself. आपको इसको बुक में ही करना है. ओके, आपको क्या करना है, जो वर्ड कलर में है, कलर के लिए आपको ही, शी, इट, दे लिखना है. मैम ने आपको समझा दिया है. अगर कोई गर्ल होगी तो आप शी लिखेंगे, अगर कोई बॉय होगा तो आप ही लिखेंगे, अगर कोई एनिमल या फिर कोई थिंग है तो आप लिखेंगे इट. अगर मैं और मेरे साथ एक और नाम है then I have to write we, और अगर other person है तो I have to write THEY they. Now see here, my sister is beautiful. Here the red words are my sister, so I will write SHE she for it. Okay. The man is old. The man is a boy, or the man is male, so we will write HE he for it. Number 3. The doll is colorful. The doll is not a boy, not a girl. ठीक है, ना तो वो मेल है ना फीमेल है. So we will write it for it. Next is Rahul and I. राहुल और मैं. राहुल और मैं के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? हम. So it is WEV. Number 5. The girls are talking. The girls. गर्ल्स का मतलब हुआ एक से ज्यादा गर्ल्स, मतलब कि THEY, they. Number 6. Mr. Raman is a teacher. So Mr. Raman is a boy or a man, so we will write HE, he for it. Number 7. Mother is painting. Mother means a female, so we will write SHE, she for it. Class 1, in this exercise what you need to do, आपको red words के लिए I, he, she, it और they या फिर we लिखना है. Okay, now number 8. The chair is made of wood. Chair is a thing, so we will write it for it. Number 9. The boys are playing hockey. Boys means more than one. So जब एक से ज़्यादा होता है तो हम लिखते हैं THEY, they. And number 10 is Rani and I. So for Rani and I means मैं और रानी, हम दोनों मिलके बने हम. So we are writing WEV for it. So this exercise of page number 18 is your homework in the book. Okay. So class 1, that's all for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.